The noise here is just incredible. You see where they have marked on the ceiling of the top all the areas that they're going to cut out for full depth restoration, or I would call it tear down and rebuild. People here at our place do not really realize what they're in for. You will not be able to live at this place while this is going on. I know you can't see it on the video, but there's a lot of dust being kicked up into the air. And these people not only have masks on, they have like a full body suit. They don't want to get this this dust anywhere near this is dangerous. If a community does not have to undergo this type of invasive job, it's almost a crime to ask them to go through this. I just don't have words. And we have a way to fix this that will not involve a fraction of the cost or a fraction of this kind of invasiveness. This is an invasion on people's way of life. Now, if it has to be done, that's what has to be done. But if you can do something more surgical and precise, I mean, just human decency would suggest that you do it that way. Okay.